Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to clear chat history on Telegram. So let's start. First open the Telegram app. When the app opens you will see all of your conversations here. Now to clear chat history you have to open up a conversation. I will open this conversation here. When it is open, tap on three dots on top right corner. And here you will see the option Clear History. Now tap on that. You also have the option to clear history for other participants. You can enable that if you want to. You also have the option to auto-delete messages in this chat, and you can set the duration on 24 hours as well as 7 days. And when you are done setting everything up, tap on Clear History and your chat history will be deleted, and you can undo that within 5 seconds only. And that's how you can clear chat history on Telegram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.